Model, 1989 Volkswagen Transporter T25 2.0 Petrol Komet camper high-top long MOT needs repair body, white, camper mileage, 196144 MOT, the 25th of February 2026 engine, 1984 cc transmission, 4-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Runs and drives, but the gear linkage mechanisms need replacing. The bushes and rods are worn, cannot select reverse gear, and some of the other gears are hard to select. Basically it wants the gear selector mechanism replacing. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van. Features: part service history, hob, bed, fridge, fully fitted camper. Euro status, Euro 2 HPI. Clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for